figure below is made out of two identical quadrants, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and then one semicircle over here. Find the parameter of the figure. Now, using my method again, let's go ahead and highlight the portion that you need to add to find the parameter. So you have to add this, to this, to this, to this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay? After you're done with this, go and label each of them. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are many ways to do it. I can also start shifting it around and then make it easier, but just for the sake of teaching you all, I'm going to teach you all the long method because the long method can teach you all more stuff. Okay, now this is 7, this will be 7 as well, right? So let's just draw out. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to plus 8, right? Okay, so it's 1, sorry, no space. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals 2. Now what do you not know over here? You do not know 1 because you have not calculated 1 here. So can we calculate 1 now? To find the quarter circumference, I told you all before, it will be 1 quarter multiplied by pi times d. Okay? Your pi is given to be 22 over 7, so it's 1 quarter times 22 over 7. And then what's the diameter given? The radius was given to be 7, so the diameter will be 14. 14 over 1. Okay, let's figure this out. 2 to 11. Okay. Yes, correct. This will be 11. So your 1 will be equal to 11. And this is the same as this. And this is also 11. Okay, so you know this, you know this, you know this, you know this will be 7. You know this 14. So the only thing you need to know is 5. So how to find 5? Your 5 is the circumference of a semicircle. So it will be half multiplied by pi multiplied by diameter. What is your pi? 22 over 7. What is diameter? Diameter will be 14. Okay, so throw all this into your calculator. What are you going to get? 11 to 22. Yes, correct. It's 22. Okay, so your number 5 will be 22. After you're done with all this, you can add them up together, right? 1 will be 11. What's your 2? Your 2 is 7. What's your 3? Your 3 is 7. What is your 4? 4 is 14 as given. Your 5 is 22 as calculated. Your 6 will be 7 as given. Your 7 will be, your 7 will be 11. And then your 8 will be 7. Okay, use this method and then you'll be able to get the answer. Okay, so this one will be 2 times 11, right? 2 times 11 plus, how many times 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of 7 plus 14 plus 22. Okay, so let's go, how many sets are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, correct. So 8 are 2 sets of 11, 4 sets of 7, and then 7, 8. Okay, correct. So 2 times 11 will be 22, plus 4 times 7 will be 28, plus 14, plus 22. Okay, so what answer will that give us? Throw this inside your calculator, you're probably going to get 86. Okay, 86 here. Okay. Remember, use this method, it's fantastic. And remember your formula for semicircle circumference and then your quarter circle circumference. Alright, done.